Hi guys, today I'll be doing a video on how to make the Origami Beating Heart. Now it has a flap on the back like this, and if you hold it and pinch, it'll beat. Now to make it, you'll need a square piece of paper, which you can buy from the store, or you can make one yourself. For this video, I'll show you how to make one yourself. To make it, you'll need to fold this side, the top side right here, to the right side. Now you want to flip it over and fold this up so that you see none of this hanging over this right here. Now open it, flip it over, and fold this up along the crease you just made. And use your fingernails to brush against that a bit to fold it really straight. Then open it and fold it as many times as you want, back and forth to weaken it. Normally about 2 to 3 times is enough. Now you want to take that crease right there and rip along it. If you can't rip it, you can always use scissors. Now you have a square piece of paper. To make the paper heart, you're going to fold the top side to the bottom. Open it back up and fold it the other way. Now you should have a cross in the middle. This diagonal line doesn't matter, so you can just ignore it. Fold it in half again. And fold this side to the center. Do the same thing with this side. Now with the paper heart, you want to be very precise, so just push down on all the folds so that they become as flat as possible. Now you want to flip it over so there's only one crease. Now you want to take this side right here and fold it to the center, and this pops out like that. Now you want to fold the other side. And remember, you don't want to fold it like that. You want to let go of the bottom and just let that pop out to make kind of a square shape. Now flip it over. Okay, so now you want to take this side right here, just this, and fold it to the center. Do the same thing with this side. Push down so they're as flat as possible. Now open them back up. And this part's a bit harder. You want to take just these two right here. You want to take both of these and pull them up. Now take the crease you just made and flatten it along there. It should pull out, and both of them should just come in. You can use your finger to make it fold better. Now you should have something like this. You want to just fold it down and push down along all the creases. Now you want to fold these two right here down to right there. So now you should have two of these. Fold this right here to this. Do the same thing with this side. You want the corner right here to touch right there. Okay, so now you want to take this and pull it, and take this and push it behind there, and flatten it out. And you can take this, pull it, and push it under. If you don't understand, you can always pause the video and go back. Now you have something like this. You want to flip it over and fold this side over just about halfway to here. Do the same thing with this side. And now this should look like the finished heart. To beat it, you want to take your thumb, put it underneath, try to press it up as much as possible against the paper, and do the same thing with your top two fingers. And to beat it, just pinch like that. It might not work at first, so to make it work, you just want to stick your finger under there and pull it up a bit. Do that with both sides, and try again. And that should be your finished beating heart. It beats like that. You can send this to your Valentine. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more content like this in the future, you can subscribe and you can ring the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. If you have any suggestions for the videos, to anything that I can improve, or an idea for the future videos, you can leave those in the comment section down below. Now, happy Valentine's Day. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. See ya!